Hi guys, we are making a royal mango fall. So we're going to start off by making a puree of some of the mango. You will want to reserve some of these mangoes as well. We're going to take 1 cup of milk. We're going to let this simmer and add in a little bit of saffron. And then we are going to add some semolina, suji, and some sugar and really mix this really well. Keep mixing this whilst it's heating up so it can really cook off. Add a pinch of cardamom powder as well. You're going to mix in the mango puree and chopped pistachios and some chunky mango pieces, followed by some double cream, and you're going to let it chill in the fridge before serving. And I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment.